Leaders are needed in every field, and nursing is no exception. A nurse leader is a professional nurse who has acquired additional skills and responsibilities so they can keep healthcare teams working effectively and optimize patient care. The Nurse Leader program at West Coast University builds on your experience in the nursing field. We help you gain skills that are most relevant in today's healthcare world, in areas like nursing policy, implementing research findings, strategic planning, and more. Our program is designed for maximum flexibility. With most courses online, you can study where and when you want, and our faculty can help you find a facility local to you for in-person clinical practice. We offer multiple programs with a nurse leadership specialty to help you develop leadership skills for the healthcare industry. Graduates of the program will be eligible to earn credentials with the American Nurses Credential Center and sit for Nurse Executive Board certification. Ready to gain leadership skills and level up your nursing career? Apply today for the Nurse Leader program at West Coast University to get started.